awesome here. Yes, it's my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G impressions. Yeah, first thoughts and how I vibe it. I mean, long name, but long list of amazing features so far, am I right? Oh God, help me, stop me. This phone is a crazy time, you know. I have not experienced something so interesting in the phone world for a while now. I mean, I haven't experienced the Z Flip yet, would really like to, but this giant device with this awesome stylus, aka S Pen as Samsung calls it, is pretty awesome. Look at this craziness, just scrolling down, we're scrolling up. Look at this crazy device. I know this isn't a new feature, but it's actually incredible. But from what I know, with the Note 20, the S Pen has also been improved. I'm sure the novelty is not as great for people that have used these devices in the past or had a phone with a stylus. And going into this, I knew that if this phone had a stylus, it would mean something very different to what I'm used to. It would mean I do get that awesome functionality that, you know, I can write and I can draw. But we get that with tablets and stuff where you can just buy a stylus. You could buy a stylus for your mobile phone, but nay, this is very different. This S Pen has some incredible functionality. In fact, you don't just draw and write. You can actually do air gestures where you click the little button and you do little squiggles in the air, do a squiggle to the right, and you can manipulate your device from far away. I could let go of my phone entirely. I could put it somewhere else. And I can take a selfie with it. Just press the little button here. But wait, there's more. It actually doesn't involve the S Pen, but I want to show you while I'm here. You can also take a selfie by just holding your hand in front of the device, like so. You go like this, grabs your hand. Just imagine all the Karens and all the influencers who can finally get a good selfie by just propping up their device, doing one of these ones, hello, doing one of these ones. Whoop. See, look at that. Clearly worth the price tag. That, my friends, stunning. Say we want to take a screenshot, just do one of these ones. Now I've activated my screen capture-y stuff so we can select pieces of content on screen. It turns it into an individual image that I can actually extract the text out of or save it in many different ways. And I guess a lot of it actually comes down to the software and the screen and the tactile feel of this awesome S Pen. It also has pressure sensitivity, so if you are drawing on screen or doing some artwork, you can you know, color in more lightly or press harder for a darker pencil scribble.
So this is kind of like soft, and then this is hard press. Soft press, hard press. Look at that, you can do some just stunning and delicate shading.
There's this really handy software functionality where you can activate your S Pen, start writing on screen on pretty much anything. Not gonna lie, I just didn't think I needed the stylus. I thought to myself, if I don't own a stylus for my current touchscreen phone, why would I buy a phone with a stylus? But again, like I said, it's the way in which you can use it. It's the size of the screen real estate, and it's the combination. Should I do that motion? Probably not. Now, one would assume that I, as a tech reviewer, have tried all the Samsung Galaxy Note devices up until now, but I gotta be honest with you, this is my first. And I've just missed out because I haven't had the ability or the opportunity to get my hands on it, but Samsung sent me this so I could have a look at it. And I gotta say, off the bat, this is not sponsored, I'm just trying it for the week. It's really sick. So what else have I been enjoying besides just the phone's general OS and use and the way in which I can interact with it? Probably the camera. It surprised me. I guess I expected it to be good. I expected the camera to be good, but yeah, it's pretty nice. I mean, there's 3 of them, look. 3 of them. Look at whoa, it's confronting in a good way, I guess. When I saw this in person, I was like, dang, Wow. I just hope it performs as well as it looks. Oh, the innuendo. It does though. In fact, where it shines, or where it's most shockingly impressive, is the fact that this has an 8K camera in it. 8K video recording, 21.6 aspect ratio. I stumbled because I wasn't sure if that was right. Dang it, it's 21.9. We were close. It also shoots at 24 frames per second and can shoot at 120 frames per second for some slow motion. Sometimes, I guess, when I'm using a device, I'm like, oh, this is great, but the camera just not quite, just not quite up to scratch. But you don't have to have any of those worries. Oh, also, you know what I like about this? Just the visual of the display, just like looking at it, it's the wraparound-ish screen. Like it just has a nice little curvature there. You vibing on that with me? Are ya? Cause it's nice. Oh, it's lovely. Overall, this was a really interesting hands-on for me because I kind of prefer smaller phones, especially because women's pockets are often really small. But then on the other side of that, my initial thought was also, do you really need a device with a stylus? What's the pull there? What's the, why? But obviously that's like the main feature and draw of buying this device. You know when you're using a device and you're kind of like, dang, I'm gonna need to go to my computer for that thing. Well, you don't on this. You'll find it actually fills so many of those little gaps. It bridges those gaps where you're like, dang it, I need to transition to my PC to quickly do this. This phone can do a lot of them things. Do you know what I'm saying? Do ya? I think I trailed off, so I hope we all do. So, you know, this isn't my review. I've only had this for about a week. It's my initial impressions, but I gotta say, this could be one of the best mobile phones for productivity. This is a really great working on my mobile kind of phone. But we'll have to see how this goes with some more daily use. And if you're enjoying this, guys, make sure to hit thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments and I or someone awesome will answer them for you. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Someone awesome is you. We're a community. So was someone hurt? Did you see I had that upside down? I was just about to say, so as someone who's been reviewing tech for years.